Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. Smudge is right here. Y'all, I'm doing this fabulous mask. I received this mask from Miss Southern Belle as a gift, and it's been a couple of months, and I didn't mean to skip over it. Sometimes, you know, I have my drawer. I have a drawer right here. I have a little cabinet right here of things, and it got pushed back. And it's this fabulous mask, and I saw Carol Gardner doing this mask, which made me say, I gotta do that mask. So Miss Southern Belle sent it to me, and then Carolyn Gardner did this. I'll put anybody I mentioned with the channel, I'll put below. This is a fantastic mask. Let me tell you a few things. It's Glam Glow, and it's called a Cool Sheet No Drip Hydrating Mask. So you think, okay, how is it not gonna drip? Well, this is, see, this is how, when I opened it, it was in a tray like this, and then this is on the sticky side. And this sticky, it's almost like, it feels like silicone. The sticky portion is like some of the under eye masks that we wear, like the Dew of the Gods, if you've ever had the opportunity to wear them. It is sticky on just that side. This side is dry, like a fabric. And you know, of course it would do better if I didn't talk, but talking is gonna make it move here. And Smudge, would you sit down? And I'm using my new roller that I got from the Glossy Box outlet sales. Oh, goodness gracious. And y'all, I have some friend mail. So I did wanna thank Miss Southern Belle for sending me this. And if you don't know her, she has a big channel, and she does a lot of introductions. She helps channels find each other and connect with each other. And she's just a Southern Belle. She's in Atlanta, or I'm sure, I shouldn't say Atlanta. She's in Georgia. I'm not quite sure where she lives, but she's in Georgia, and she's just a beautiful lady, and she often will wear beautiful hats, and she takes you shopping, and she just does, you know, she does lives and talks to us, and like I said, lets people connect. So go check her out. She's a lovely person, and I'm just so happy she sent me this, because I had this only one time before, and it's really nice, and it's gonna make my skin feel really nice. And Carolyn Gardner, Carol, my dear friend Carol, she changed her channel name to Carol Gardner a little while ago, and I still call her Carolyn Gardner for the channel. But if she didn't do this past week, she did it on vacation. It made me remember that I had this. So thank you, Carol, for reminding me that I had this. And then I have some friend mail, y'all, and I'm excited about the friend mail. It's always fun to get friend mail, y'all. And Camille was here, but she's gone. So let's see what I got. I got a card, beautiful card. Look at that pretty sticker there. And then on the front, this is from Kim's Happy Place. My dear friend Kim. Oh, you know, I forget. Y'all, I was gonna say, I've got everybody's address on here. I don't want to show you, but I forget, oops, I forget I have this little fabulous thing. They have many styles of this. And you roll it over the address so that that way you guys won't see addresses, because, you know, I don't want to give away Kim's address, but I want you to see what is on the front. There's first of all, the beautiful rose that matches the one on the back. But look at that. That's Kim's address, is a yellow cat. And then the stamp is a kitty with a heart. And then look what it's stamped with, is looks like I don't know if that's a raccoon or a badger, but isn't that cute? You know, the cancellation, whatever they call that. So thank you, Kim. I was not expecting anything from Kim, so I'm happy to get a card from her. And this is, it says, "You're so thoughtful." Kim is so thoughtful, y'all. She really is. That's a beautiful card. Oh, she sent me some stickers. I'll show you those in a minute. It says, "Mary, thank you for your goodness and generosity. Thank you so much for all the awesome friend mail. You truly are very special to me, and I'm glad that you are part of my world. Love you to the moon and back, Kim." Oh, thank you, Kim. I did get this card a few days back, maybe one day last week, but y'all, well, I'll tell you about that in a minute. I'm better, but I have been feeling bad. But this is the beautiful rose that Kim draws on a lot of her cards. And all her pens are colored pens, and they have, I don't think you're gonna see that. They have sparkles in they have sparkles in the ink. Isn't that cute? Thank you, Kim. Friend mail is, you know, we send friend mail back and forth. I tell you, y'all, I used to be so good with thank you cards, but I'm not really good with them. So I'm sorry. I love you guys, and if you send me something, I always mean to thank you, and I think I thank you on the video, but I probably should send a card. So I apologize for not doing that. And then Kim also sent me these super cute stickers. Thank you, Kim. You did not have to do this. It was just some friend mail, you know, just some things that I know she likes. And look at these adorable, oh, let's see. Let me, what do I have here? Maybe the back of this? No? Yeah, maybe this? No, you can't really see them. I need something white. I do have, goodness gracious, I have friend mail, but it's not white. All right, well, anyway, we'll put it behind the card that Kim sent me. Look at how cute those kitties are. And these are like plastic, y'all. Can you see them? They're super cute. Thank you, Kim. I will definitely use them. You'll see it on future friend mail. If you get friend mail from me, you'll see that. So I love how fabulous that stamp did. So anyway, a couple bucks on Temu, and then it does have this thing where you can cut packages open and such. But like I said, there's different kinds. You don't have to get an animal one. I just thought it was cute. So to keep this down, okay. Next up, I have a card from my mom. So look at how pretty that is. And the front of the card, again, let me mark off the addresses. And then I will show you. Oops, I went over, darn it. My mom's address label has a real pretty rose, but I accidentally hit it with that thing. But look at that kitty right there, y'all. And look at how pretty that is on the back. So I don't usually share my personal things like that, but I am. Look at how cute that kitty is. And it says, Dear Mary, and my mom always calls me Mary Catherine, but she didn't this time. It just says, Dear Mary, wishing you good luck with your new little adoptee. Love you, Mom and Dad. My mom is an animal lover and a cat lover as well. And yeah, so she's happy for me to have gotten a kitten. And this is not staying on, but it's because I'm talking. But all this, I'll tell you, this feels good on my face, y'all. Very good. And then I got some friend mail from Erlene's. Erlene is, I was almost said her name. I won't say her name because I don't know if her last name is on YouTube, but Erlene is a subscriber friend of mine. So she's just a sweet lady, and she sent me something. She sent me a little message saying that she was sending me something. And let me show you. It's got my P.O. box on there, but here she's got a cute little Hello Kitty sticker, little cupcake. It's a cupcake. Isn't that cute? I did cut it open, but I have not looked inside. Thank you, Erlene. So sweet of you to do that. You didn't have to do that. There's a card. So let's look at the card. Excuse me. Whoops. Oh, isn't that nice? It says, You're a peach. And it says, oh, let's see. Oh, there's some cute stickers in there. It says, Mary, I hope this card finds you and the boys and new baby girl doing well. Thank you, thank you. I want to give away from Carol, and there were a few things in there I would not use, and I thought of you, so I am passing them along. Well, thank you. Thank you so much, Erlene. And so that Carol would be Carol Gardner. So let's see. So I'm passing them along to you. I also included a few other things. If there is anything you will not use, please pass it along. Take care. Love your YouTube friend and family, Erlene. That's so sweet, Erlene. This card is beautiful. This card is from the company 31. Now, I may be mistaken, but isn't 31 is a bag company? I've bought many bags from them. It was a, like a Tupperware thing, or, where the lady came to your house and you'd have parties. And I've been to many. It's been a few years since I've seen them around, but I'm pretty sure that's their logo. I could be wrong. I mean, maybe 31, it's a number. People can use it. But this is Be Remembered. They say that an elephant never forgets. It's also true that people never forget someone who speaks an encouraging word at just the right moment. We have lovingly crafted our greeting card sets to help you remember those important moments in your life of others so you can be remembered as someone who cares. Be remembered for never forgetting to care. How sweet. I think that Cami is right here. I love that. Peach. You're a peach. And then in the card are some very pretty stickers. Look at that nice dragonfly and good vibes and a beautiful butterfly. And let's see what Erlene sent me. I'm just overwhelmed. Thank you, Arlene. You're so sweet. Okay, let's see. This is Ticino, roasted herbal coffees and teas. Let me show it to you and then I'll read the rest of it. And inside is a roasted herbal tea, dandelion dark roast, organic. Now, I like a black tea. It says brews like coffee, or you could brew it like coffee or steep it like tea. Okay. Ticino, roasted herbal coffee and tea. So it is herbal. Very interesting. I have not heard of this one. It's prebiotic, acid-free, caffeine-free, gluten-free, roasted herbal tea. Well, I'll be happy to try that. Dandelion dark roast. To be herbal and be a dark roast is, you know, I'd be interested to see what that tastes like. So thank you, Arlene. That's so nice of you to send that to me. And, oh, this is nice. I think I have something similar to this. This is Relax and Radiate Crate from them, and it is a silicone tea bag cover. And see how you use that. Let me take it out of the bag and I'll show you. I have something similar, but not quite the same. Oh, there's actually two of them. Well, how nice is that? So you can share, you know, have a friend over, or, you know, take one to work, leave one at home. You make your tea, and then you put this over the cup, and and right here, you put your tea bag string in and hold it there. And then when your tea is steeped, you can turn it over and put your tea bag here so that you don't make a mess at your table. So that is very nice. This is from the Relax and Radiate Crate. Silicone tea bag covers. Very nice. Yeah, that's what I told you is on the back about how to use it. But these are very nice, and they're silicone. So, you know, silicone, you can put silicone in the dishwasher. It can take a lot of heat. So, and then I got, she sent me this. I love the Aceology brand. Let me show it to you and then I'll read what it says. This one is hyaluronic acid intensive repair biodegradable mask. It hydrates, renews, and plumps. I've had a few masks from Aceology. Not sure. I think I have some of these. I might have got them from Fab Fit Fun, I'm thinking, but I could be wrong. But sometimes they're, you know, I mean, I know I have Aceology, but they might be a different style. So I'll be doing that one soon, Early on a future Mask Monday. Thank you so much. And then there's this cute little package. And I also wanted to tell you all about me. Oh, how cute. This is also from the Relax and Radiate. This is a loose tea leaf infuser. It did get a little smashed, but that's okay. It can be popped out. Let me open it and show it to you. Whoops, I'm ripping the whole thing. There's staples here at the top, so it's ripping. Okay. Oops, I like loose tea. See, it got smashed, but that's okay. It can pop right out. Let me show it to you here. How cute is that? A bee. So what you do with this is it opens up here, and then the basket, just pop it right back out. See, it's just mesh, so it does fine. Just pop it back out. So the Relax and Radiate Crate must have had a tea theme. And then this also, see how that is? It's just mesh, so it'll pop right out. You put in your tea leaves and close it up, and it closes with this snap, with this thing snaps down here. If I can get it, you have to line it up properly. Oh, there. There's a little place to put that in. Well, let me see. I'm not seeing too well through these. Okay. Well, I can't do it right this minute, but that'll close down on there, and then you put that in your cup and steam your tea. Steep your tea. And then you can do that with that little holder thing. What did I do with that little holder thing? Here we go. You can do this and put this like this. Okay. And this is in your cup. I have to line up that dot with that. So Erlene must not drink tea, but I do. So thank you, Erlene. That's so sweet of you to think of me. I really appreciate that. I'll work on that and get that to close. And I was going to show you Cammie right quick, but she's having a good time down there. I wanted to tell y'all, you may not have seen a video from me yesterday morning. I did have one come up in the afternoon because I feel much better, but I don't know what day's what anymore. Really, I don't. And with the holiday and stuff, okay, I was really bad sick. I had I don't know if you'd call it a 24-hour or a 12-hour something. It felt to me like it could have been food poisoning, but when talking to a few people, it was probably a bug. There's a bug going around here, and a stomach bug. Oh, it was awful. I don't vomit, y'all. I'm a person that doesn't hardly ever vomits, so it was awful. That's all I'll tell you. I won't tell you the whole story because you don't want to hear it. But anyway, I'm much better, and it really knocked me down. So, you know, just be careful, y'all, because you just, I mean, I hardly go anywhere. So where did I get it? I don't know, but I got it. So anyway, it was a quick thing, and thank goodness it's over. And I'm telling y'all, I know y'all, some of y'all don't like it, but that IV liquid stuff, even if you don't like it, have some in your house or something similar. You don't have to use that brand. There's many brands out there. Have those kinds of things in your house because that really helped me. Because when you're sick, you do not want to go to the store. You want to have something like that in the house already. So I did, and I was able to make that. It's easy to make, just mix it with water. It helped me to hydrate. And because when you have a stomach bug and everything's coming out of you, it's hard to keep things in, you must drink. You must have something in you. You know, otherwise you're going to end up in the hospital with an IV. So, yeah. So just wanted to, my little information for the day, y'all. So thanks for stopping by. I'm going to leave this on a little bit and see if I stop talking. I think it'll stick better. But it feels really good. Thank you so much, Miss Southern Belle. And thank you, Carol, for sending some goodies to Erlene that she passed down to me. I love these things, Erlene. Thank you so much. And thank you, Kim, for the beautiful card. And thank you, Mom and Dad, for the beautiful card. And Cammie, let me see if I can get her. Okay. She does not like to be held, y'all. But look at her. Has she not doubled in size? I've had her for, how many days has it been? 8 days, 8.5 days, something like that. And look at how good she looks, y'all. And she just is, she's a spitfire. And the boys are getting better. They don't dislike her as much, let's put it that way. They don't, you know, hate her. She does bad at them now. She tries so hard to play with them. I wish they would let her, you know, get next to them, because I really want them to give her a bath. She's bathing herself, but she needs, you know, she just needs, you know, that's what cats do. That's how they communicate with each other, is they groom each other. So I'd really like them to do that for her, just to help both sides. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by. And Cammie, say goodbye, everybody. Have a wonderful Mass Monday. Take care of yourself. Do a little something to help yourself today, to make yourself, you know, just to take care of yourself for a few minutes. Okay, y'all? Okay, Cammie, say bye. Bye, y'all. Count your blessings. Y'all, I've been sick, so I forgot to announce the winner from my little secret giveaway from Friday Night Gab from May 26th. So the winner is M-E-M-E Cat. Is Mimi Cat? Or is it Meme Cat? I'm not sure how to say it. So I will put your picture at the end of this video. So please get in touch with me. And I know this is not the usual way that I do a winner. So if I don't hear from you, I will try to reach you another way. Thank you so much.